Bro, the truth is, she already made up her mind about you, and you didn't even say a word yet. It's crazy, but sometimes it only takes one hug. One pull, one breath, one touch, and in that small moment, she either feels something real or she feels absolutely nothing. There's no middle, and the scary part is, most guys are out here messing this up every single day and they don't even realize it. They think attraction is about what to say, what text to send, how to impress her, but what they don't understand is her body decides first. Her emotions react first, words come later. I've noticed something. The guys women actually remember. They don't always talk the most, they don't always try the hardest, but they make her feel something without even trying too much. And it shows in small moments, especially in something as simple as a hug. Let's be real, most guys hug like they're scared to be there. Stiff arms, quick tap on the back, in and out in 2 seconds, like they're just trying to get it over with. Safe, polite, forgettable, and the moment ends without leaving anything behind. But then there are those hugs, the ones that feel different. Not because they're aggressive, not because they're doing something crazy, but because there's presence. When he pulls her in, he's actually there, not thinking too much, not rushing, not doubting himself. Just present. First thing you need to understand, your touch speaks before you do. The way your hand lands on her, it already tells her how to feel about you. Most guys place their hands randomly or too soft or unsure, and that hesitation, she feels it instantly. It feels like you're not confident, like you're asking for permission without saying it. But when your hand rests on her upper back, right between her shoulder blades, and it's firm, calm, steady, not tight, not aggressive, just grounded, something changes. Her body picks it up because that spot carries a lot of tension, stress, pressure, and when your touch feels stable there, it sends a signal. A quiet one, but powerful. You're safe here, not in words but in feeling, and without even thinking about it, her body starts to relax. Her shoulders drop a little, her breathing softens, and she doesn't even know why, she just knows your hug feels different. Then comes the part almost everyone misses the timing. When the hug is about to end, most guys pull away too fast. Like they are nervous, like they stayed too long, like they might mess it up if they don't leave now. And that rush breaks everything, because now it feels awkward, forced, unfinished. But when you stay just a little longer, not too much, just half a second, something small happens. Her brain notices it. Wait, he's still holding me. And in that tiny moment, she becomes aware of the hug. She feels it, and then comes the question in her mind, does he actually like this moment? And that question creates emotion. Warmth, curiosity, a small spark. This is where most guys lose it, because they let their nervous energy take over. They rush out, they break eye contact, they disconnect too quickly, and she feels that too. But when you stay calm, when you don't rush, when you're comfortable being there, you send a completely different message. Without saying anything, you're showing, I'm not unsure. I'm not afraid of this moment. I'm okay being close to you. And that energy stays with her even after the hug ends. Now there's another layer to this, something very subtle, your breathing. If you're tense, your breathing is fast, shallow, your body feels tight. And all of that transfers to her. She might not think about it, but she feels it. But when you take a slow breath out while holding her, everything shifts. Your body relaxes, your chest softens, and her body follows your rhythm. She starts to feel calm without even knowing why. This is what people mean when they say, he just makes me feel safe. He makes me feel calm. It's not magic. It's presence. It's how your body feels when you're close to her. And when she relaxes in your arms, that's when connection builds. Because relaxation creates trust, trust creates comfort, and comfort creates attraction. It all connects. And finally, the moment right before you let go. This is where things can either stay friendly or shift into something more. As you slowly pull back, there's a second where your faces are close, very close. Most guys just step back and end it there. But if in that natural movement your cheek lightly brushes hers, not forced, not obvious, just natural, like it just happened, it creates a completely different feeling. Because face contact is personal, it's not something you do with everyone, it's something reserved for people you trust or feel close to. And in that one soft moment, something changes in her mind. Now she notices you differently. She might not say it, but she feels it. She might replay that moment later, wondering, was that intentional? Did he mean to do that? And once that thought is there, it stays. Now she becomes more aware of you. She notices your presence more, your voice, your face, even the way you stand next to her. And just like that, you're no longer just another guy. You're someone she felt. That's the whole thing. It's not about tricks. It's not about trying too hard. It's about small moments done with calm confidence and presence. Because at the end of the day, she won't remember every word you said, but she will always remember how it felt to be in your arms.